Alright, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video, man. I don't think I uploaded a video since first couple days of August. This is me a couple weeks later, just giving y'all a quick update. As you can see, so far for today, I'm at 318.30, nothing crazy. It's about 10:30 at night, so the day almost over. Yesterday, 428 even, and so far for the month, a little over 8,130, 60 cents. Point of making this video is wanted to highlight another testimonial I got from my guy Eric. Let me pull it up on screen. He shot me a text a few minutes ago saying, "Hey JT," he sent me his dashboard. Let me see. Today he's at $30.60. Yesterday 112.50, and for the month it says 292.50. So this is somebody that brought the TikTok profit kit. I want to say a few days ago, or I know it was less than a week ago. He brought the TikTok profit kit. Already made almost $300 from it, so he already basically had a 3x return on investment. And we just got his account all the way set up less than a week ago. So shout out to Eric on his results. Next thing I wanted to talk about is I have a TikTok account for sale. This is not the account, it's just my clothing brand account, but I got a TikTok account for sale with 1,200 followers. If anybody want it, so I'm gonna sell it for only $37. If you got Cash App, Apple Pay, Zelle, shoot me an email if you want access to that. You can put the link in the bio once you buy the account and take off from there. Next thing is the TikTok profit kit that's still going on because I haven't released the TikTok profit system yet. So two things: the TikTok profit system launches this Friday. What's Friday? Let me see. Friday the 20. I want to say the 23rd. I don't know. A few days from now. I think it's probably like the 21st. So right now I'm selling early access to it for $17. It's not done right now. So if you buy for $17, you just gonna basically have the login, but the video is not done. It's not gonna be done until Friday. But if you buy it for $17 right now, you have early access to it for 50% off, because on Friday I'm gonna charge $37 for it, so you can get access to it early for $17, or you can buy the TikTok profit kit and it comes with the TikTok profit system 100% free. If we go check out the TikTok profit kit, for those that don't know, TikTok profit kit is me basically building you a TikTok account personally done by me. I set up the account, the username, the bio, the profile picture, set up your link in the description, the best Max Bounty offers. I give you my referral link to Max Bounty, as well as the script to get approved if you're not in Max Bounty already. How to get approved on private CPA offers. And like I said, I create 10 videos for you that's going to be uploaded on your account, done by me personally, with the captions, hashtags, call to actions, everything already done, as well as the 30-day posting scripts, with a 30-day posting strategy with my scripts and everything that I use on a day-to-day basis. So that's only $100. And like I said, if you buy the TikTok profit kit, you don't need to buy the TikTok profit system because it comes with it included. Trying to see if I'm missing anything. I don't think so. Just wanted to shout out Eric on his results again, for making almost 3 times his investment within the first week of joining the TikTok profit kit. If you're interested in that, I will leave links in the description as well as the comment section down below. If you got any questions, post it down below, shoot me an email. I'm around. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.